good viewers, likers, subscribers, and commenters. How are you all? How's live? How's everything? So in this video, as you guys might have seen in the title, I'm going to be asking a dice, this dice, to give me times to solve this guy. Let's get started. Looking at my time, like I usually average about 50 seconds, 52 seconds. So as you guys can see, I can't solve Rubik's Cube with 1 second or two, nor not even 6. So I'm gonna have to multiply them by 10. Like 6, so it's gonna be 65, so it's gonna be 50. So even 10 seconds is too hard. So, and guess what? For example, if it's 10 seconds, I'm just gonna do the last layer because I do the beginner's method. So it's not gonna be possible for me to solve Rubik's Cube. So yeah, for example, I'm gonna do the last layer. Got my phone. So yeah, we can get started. First of all, let's scramble up the cube. How about first we see what number I get? Please be something good. Guys, it's 2 seconds. You know what this means? I'll be back after the cube scrambled. I've thought of enough good scrambles for the cube, respecting all the seconds. So, yeah, see you guys. As I have scrambled the cube, so for 20 seconds, as a loser like me, I've solved the first two layers, and I've only got to do the last layer. So, yeah. So, as you guys can see, I got a 2, and that's a very bad time for the first time I got. Why don't we get started? Let me just. There we go. And as my daily routine in my videos, show you guys the timer that's 000. Inspection, go. Okay. Remember, got 20 seconds to solve this. Already gone 10 seconds. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Guys, I made it in 20 seconds. That still counts like 20.7 seconds for the last layer. So guys, I won't have to do this again. First round was a success. That means my estimations were correct. I need that bathroom break. Be back. We are back. So, whew, that was a really close one. Got exactly 20 seconds. So, let's roll the dice. 6! That was really lucky go. So, why don't we put the stopwatch timer this time? Don't like 60 seconds. About 1 minute to be more precise. So guys, for 60 and 56, we have exactly to solve the whole cube. We won 50 seconds because I've done better. But of course, I have to keep trying. This time, guys, oh why? I have done the stop, which isn't that supposed to be? I did it wrong. It's supposed to be average, isn't it? Okay, I get the idea now. We can 1 minute in total. So yeah, I'll be back when we scramble the cube. The cube, if this isn't scramble, I don't know what is. Inspection time for faster solve so I can predict. Okay, I've got my next move and my next one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, very lucky. Very lucky first layer, if I might say so myself. Oh boy, guys, this really was my luckiest first layer ever. Not to brag or anything, but I don't think I'll be able to say that for my next part. It's already 36 seconds in. Sorry, 36 seconds left. Oh my god, guys, how can I solve it in 32 seconds? Oh no. We're going down. Oh no, I can't really solve the second layer in 20 seconds, can I? 15, 10 seconds. Oh no, 6 seconds. Guys, that wasn't fair. Oh, but you guys, you saw what happened to me there. I think my corner twisted. So it wasn't really my fault. Let me just get this. I just noticed that this green, orange, and yellow corner had a green, red, and yellow corner had twisted in my solve. I saw the whole video again. Saw that this corner, I saw it really closely. Like I noticed it when I was moving, but I said ignore it. Like well. So yeah, that kind of messed up my last layer. Saw that it was the only corner unsolved. So you see what happened there, and it was the green. You can see for yourself. Rewind back. I don't know which second it was, but yeah, rewind to where I was solving it, so you guys can see as well, because that was the only corner, one of the greens and yellows at the end, which was corner twisted. So you get the idea. Don't say I'm a giver upper. And you haven't subscribed. I know you haven't, because according to YouTube Studio, most of my viewers are not subscribers. So you guys have, if you guys have seen my I built number blocks, which is my most viral video, it's got like 9K views, and it's got 9K views but only 20 likes. So what's up with that, guys? So yeah, huh, I don't know, but something's wrong. That video was so. Anyway, let's get back to this part. Let's roll the dice, move these things. 4, guys. We have got 40 seconds. So for 40 seconds, I'm gonna have to solve the first layer because Mhm. Let's do it. Let me just get back to you. Scramble the cube. As you guys can see, the first layer is completely solved, but the second layer was two of the edges were solved, so I unsolved them. Like yeah, now you guys can see that second layer is completely unsolved. To make it not that unfair for me, guys, I just started, and my PB is 47 seconds, so it's gonna be impossible for me to solve it in front of the camera. How many odds are there? Let's get the timer to 40 seconds. Instead of this. This is not gonna end up good, guys, so stay tuned for some terrible solving. And as you guys, as my regular routine, I show you guys the timer. Put the thingy down. I hope I showed you guys the dice. You guys, if I didn't, okay, inspection time. Hmm. Let's go. Remember, guys, I only got like 40 seconds to solve the cube. It's better be good or something, because I'm not the biggest pro at the Rubik's Cube, like, yeah. Already 25 seconds in. I don't think I'll be able to do this. That's the end of the line for me. 15 seconds. Oh, oh yes! We might just be able to do it. Guys, we did it! With 3 seconds remaining. Let's go! That means my estimations are correct. Yes, and if I hadn't been truthful, then I would have probably gone a sub 35. If those two edges were solved, then I didn't have to solve all the cube. But of course, to make it more dramatic, and you guys saw it was a whatever that word is, affirmatively fair solve. Guys, this was our second try. We have 3 more. If I didn't mention, I'm gonna do this for 5 times. Then we're gonna get done with this video. Let's roll the dice. Get out of here. Oh, we will be back. Guys, I have to do it again. Oh no, it's a 1. That means 10 seconds. That means I only have to like twist some of the corners to get it done. Like, let me just do a few tests without the timer so we can see. Scramble, let me show you guys. This is scramble. Perfect. And scramble. Let's start the timer. I knew that in some point of this video one would come. This is the point. So yeah, guys, scramble. Like I showed you. Here is the timer. Inspection. And oh god. Okay. Go. Guys, with 2 seconds remaining. This is getting tighter and tighter, but the first solve was 20 seconds in the last layer. I'm sounding like a loser right now because people solve 2 to 3 to 4 cubes in 20 seconds, even 5. I can't solve the top layer because I'm not a CFOP person or F2L. I don't know any PLL dual cases, so I don't know any of those fancy schmancy. I don't know any of those scrambles, so we're sticking to the old-fashioned beginner's method. Let's roll the dice. Dice, give me something good. Please be a 6. Please be a 6 if you guys can see it rolling. Oh my god. Another. This is the second one in a row. I'm gonna have to escape scramble, but a little different from the. Make it a bit. There. We have scrambled it. I think this time I showed you guys in front of my eyes. We have the same timer. 10 seconds. Yeah. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, go. Oh my god, guys, I got faster at the same scramble. 4 seconds remaining. That means I did it in like, I don't know, 6 seconds. Ooh. This is our final solve. Yeah, final solve. Hope you guys, this doesn't bore you because the final roll of dice, like literally the final one. I mean, the first time saying final, so yeah. Let's roll the dice. Let's hope it doesn't go anywhere. Fingers crossed. Please don't be a one. Guys, second two. Uh, guys, I'll be back. It's scrambled. As you guys know, you guys have seen the first solve in my video was 20 seconds. So in 20 seconds, I do the first last layer only. We have inspected the cube already. I didn't do any solves in the scramble, so yeah. Let's make this sure. Let's make it sure. Not make it sure. Why am I saying it? Now we've got 20 seconds on the timer. The last one was literally on top. Let's see if I make it. In a 1, a 2, 3, a go. Oh no, I messed up. Oh god. We've got the same parody. Guys, we made it the last layer. 3 seconds to go. Whoa. But guys, that was just a joke. I have 2 more solves waiting for you. Just kidding. 2 more solves. Let's get to the contrary and roll the dice. A six. Am I getting repeated numbers like this? My six all I got two ones, two twos, two sixes. Let's get done with this. Oh yeah, let me just scramble the cube, set up the timer so we can get started. Scrambled up the cube. I didn't like the way it acted. And I think we've got the timer. Yes. One. Oh, go down. Inspection time starts now. One, two. Oh, forget that. Go. So what am I doing? This is not gonna be a good solve, I can tell. Why am I predicting bad things from now? Why am I such a negative person? Toxic and negative person. I am. I am all that. Along with some other stuff. Why do I sound like a geeky? Grindy person. Oh, 25 seconds to go. Go. 16 seconds. We've got our last layer. Please work. I know I can get a sub one. We did it. We got 55 seconds in a beautiful scramble. So guys, if you enjoyed and want more of these kind of videos, sorry for something like that. Love that. If you guys want to watch more these kind of videos, I know most of you aren't subscribed. You aren't subscribed. The one who's watching this, most probably. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and subscribe. I know you're feeling lazy. You're feeling like, oh, why would I just take my home screen out, press that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell and come back up. But guys, that's what I used to do, but no, I don't. No, I know how it feels. So yeah, guys, please, I'm begging you. You watching this, yeah, you, I'm talking to you, whoever you are. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell. And guys, also subscribe to Fleetway96. It's probably the 15th time I'm saying this in my channel. But yeah, I wouldn't go by without saying subscribe to Fleetway96. Subscribe, subscribe. You know you want to. Anyway, see you guys in another. Adios, amigos.